Hello, I believe sleep is the most valuable resource. Let me open this up. It's like in my way. So, sleep is one of the most valuable reasons valuable resources in my opinion because it allows me to think clearly. Okay? So, for example, the other night, right when I was getting ready to fall asleep, I couldn't sleep for a couple minutes, but what I instead did was decided to start meditating, right? And then all these different video titles and video topics started to come to my mind, and I was able to think really clearly for a couple minutes. The same thing when am fully rested. When I'm fully rested, I am able to think better. I'm able to move faster. I don't have that brain fog. I'm not consistently, anticipating negativity. I am able to be more positive. All these great things happen when I am well rested and when I am able to get a lot of sleep. It's very interesting to me that a lot of people who are either struggling or who are stressed out, they tend not to sleep as much. And that is a very, 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 you know, just it's almost like ironic. For example, I used to have a friend that would go, "I'm tired all the time," but he never got more sleep, and it caused him to have everything else just kind of spiral out of control in his life. Now, if you want to be able to just get quick hacks just like this, you want to understand some of the things that you're either doing right or some of the things that you're doing wrong, I recommend you go join the link in the description below, which is a link to my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. I can't wait to see you inside. Hope to see you soon, and take it easy.